Landbank Fund Transfer to Eastwest Bank. How to send money from Landbank to Eastwest Bank via mobile app online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So gamit ko ngayon yung cellphone ko and na-install ko na rin yung Landbank mobile app. Kung hindi mo pa ito na-install, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. So I'll go ahead and open Landbank. And I'll tap mobile banking. And I'll enter here my user ID and password. And also, kung wala ka pang online account with Landbank, gumawa kami ng video about it. You may click this I button to check that video. And I'll click login. So ito na yung online account ko with Landbank. Currently, meron akong balance na 2,100 dito. Later on, dapat mabawasan to depende sa amount ita-transfer ko sa Eastwest Bank. So to start with the transfer, I'll tap these 3 lines and tap transfers and choose transfer to other bank. And nag-send na raw ng OTP sa cellphone ko, pero based sa experience ko, hindi ako nakaka-receive ng SMS sa cellphone number ko. So I'll choose this resend OTP via email. And click OK. And i-enter ko lang dito yung code na na-receive ko sa email address ko and tap submit. And here, I'll look for Eastwest Bank since doon ako magka-transfer ng pera. So ito siya. So careful lang, dapat Eastwest Bank yung piliin nyo kung sa Eastwest Bank talaga kayo magpapasa ng pera. And for transfer method, meron ditong 3 options, BankNet, InstaPay, and PesoNet. Hindi ako ganun ka-familiar sa BankNet and hindi ko pa siya na-experience in the past. For InstaPay and PesoNet naman, na-try ko na to before. For InstaPay, real-time yung pag-transfer, ibig sabihin mag-reflect agad yung pera sa kabilang account. While for PesoNet, hindi siya real-time. It may take 1 to 3 business days bago mag-reflect yung pera. Although hindi siya ganun kabilis, mas mataas naman yung pwede mong i-transfer. Let's say gusto mo mag-transfer ng more than 50,000 pesos, mas maganda sa PesoNet ka mag-transfer. While for InstaPay, up to 50,000 pesos yung pwede mong i-transfer. And since 500 pesos lang naman yung transfer ko, I'll choose InstaPay and gusto ko rin mabilis yung pag-transfer ng pera. And here, i-enter ko yung account number sa Eastwest Bank na pagkapasahan ko ng pera. And for receiver name, lagay ko dito yung owner ng bank account na paglilipatan ng pera. And for receiver, mobile number and email, optional lang naman to, so pwede ko na tong i-leave as blank. But it's up to you kung gusto mo ilagay dito yung cellphone number and email address ng recipient ng pera. And now, for amount, I'll enter 500. And for the purpose, palitan ko to ng savings or investment. And I'll tap submit. And here, for next step, I need to confirm all these details kung tama ba yung account number and receiver name. And for this step, make sure na tama yung account number na pinagpapasahan nyo ng pera. Let's say nagkamali kayo ng account number na pinagpasahan, kailangan nyo pang i-report yon sa Landbank. And before I proceed with this transaction, i-open ko lang yung Eastwest Bank online account ko. I-check ko lang kung real-time talaga yung pag-transfer. So, i-enter ko lang dito yung username and password ko and I'll click login. And hintayin lang natin mag-load yung Eastwest Bank mobile banking. And ito yung current balance ko. It's 2,668 pesos. So, balik ako sa Landbank. And i-confirm ko na tong transaction na to. And here's the confirmation. Successful na raw yung pag-transfer. And nag-send na rin ng receipt sa email ko. And also for this reference number, mas maganda na i-save nyo na rin to just in case magkaroon ng issue sa pag-transfer like hindi nag-reflect yung pera ng maayos sa kabilang account. Pwede nyo i-report sa Landbank and provide this reference number as proof of your transaction. So balik ako sa Eastwest Bank. So, it's 2,600. So, itap ko to. Let's see kung magbabago yung amount. So, naging 3,168 pesos na yung balance ko dito. And dito sa bandang baba, may 500 pesos na na-transfer daw dito sa account na to. And totoo nga, real-time yung pag-transfer from Landbank to Eastwest Bank via InstaPay. And that's it. If you can think of other videos na pwede naming ituro online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And please like this video if you think nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. May iba pa kaming videos about money transfer. You can also check this. And in case you're interested, may mga videos din kami about money investment. Pwede kang mag-start mag-invest sa maliit na halaga. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!